You guys, we're finally having some Kathiew again. Oh my god, I feel like it's been a long time. I'm so freaking excited to dig in. I've been waiting since last night. But we finally posted Rex's recipe. I think it's like 2 videos before this one, and I showed you guys how I assemble my bowl in the last one. I completely forgot to put lime, but you guys already know lime is a must. So mix this baby up. Oh man, I'm so freaking excited. I didn't even put no oxtail in here. I'll be right back. Bro, I'm a mess, but we got the oxtail here. Oh, let's take our first bite. Zena just poked her eye.